So this is Power BI desktop, and basically there is the kind of visual referred to as the shape map. So you can get those visuals in two ways. Okay, you can come to where you have from access or from files, but you can only do from files if you have the visuals downloaded to your computer. But in the case of the shape map, I'll just come to my file. I want to go and check the settings of Power BI. That is where I will get the shape map activated. I come to options and settings. Then I go to options to open an interface. And within that interface, I will see preview features. And under the preview features, I will see what is called a shape map. I'll ensure that the box is ticked. That is the only way I can get to use the shape map visual tool. So immediately I come to preview features. I hit on the click button. You can see it's ticked already, shape map visual. So close it. I just have to show you that. So I come here, I click on my shape map. I use this for another visual. Top and use this visual for another. So I just come back here. Now it's on my shape map, and I just pick the years I want. To be represented on the shape map. So I have my shape map. So maybe I have my shape map. I cannot hit the country name so that then I come to my settings. As well as it is not all the countries that I do want, I can come here and say, okay, just give me basic featuring. Give me top five countries. Top five countries. Top five. So I come in, hit that, then I drag my country name and I put it here by value, and I say apply filter. So it's showing undefined. So basically I can change it to count of the countries. I can change it to anything, and besides I can come here to the map settings. What is called a map type key, and you decide to change that setting. I can just close it. Can now go to general properties, position, advanced position, in the form of effects. That we want to be on our map. It's evident that we can place them all around there. This is so super, and super important that you get this. And also for my map, I can decide to use a field color. I want to fill the colors. I can just come here and say what? Okay, I want the color change to blue. And that is done. So, and there is still other settings saying, do I want this to be automatic? Do I want my visuals to automatic, or at the click on each of them? The zooming feature, can you see? Auto zoom, I'm going to put it on, and I can decide to put it off. Zoom on selection, manual zoom, whichever one I do want. Then I have to come here and set or write my title, because that is what not what it's supposed to be. So it's supposed to be top 5. Top 5. Top 5. Mm, Top 5 videos. Top 5 videos. So you can come down here and change the text color. So that is not what I want. I can even decide to go to more colors and look at a very interesting color and tell it to what apply. This. So that's that about the shape map. So the next thing I want to quickly do now is to come back here and quickly get my play axis. I want my play axis here. So I import from a file because I already have it on my desktop. And the only way you can get this is to go to store.office.com and you can get your play axis from that particular web address. So already I have it, and all I want to do is to bring it into my visualization so that at the end of the day, immediately I play my play axis, it plays all the visuals that I have in my canvas. You can see import successful. The visual was successfully imported into this report. I hit my OK. So what will I do? I will just hit on country name. So maybe I hit on country name. I can also come here and edit and say okay. That this is showing as this. I have to hit this. So maybe I hit my play axis. You can see it. I have my play axis. Okay. I hit on it again. I have my play axis. So trying to bring in my play axis into my into my canvas, so the immediately I hit play, it automatically plays. So that's my play axis. I will automate it and make sure that every time I click on it, it shows a play button. So automatically it shows a play button. So I hit on country name and I hit on my what? On my play axis, and that's all. And I can decide to come here. I change the title, I change the text color. I can decide, oh, I want more colors. And here is it. My title. I change the color of my title. That is it. And so if I hit my play button, you can see this automatically plays name of different countries. Plays name of different countries. And my visuals begins to change. So I've already done that now. So basically, I can now go to my settings and turn on my play axis automatically. So it plays everything I have here. It plays it. It plays it. And basically, that is all about. That is all about my